to Robin's house. Today I'm going over the Amber Autumn card workshop. And so I'm using this and it's so fun. So it has this giant die cut in here that creates a card background all of its own. It's very cool. And then some larger uh, dies to match the images on the stamp set, and then some extra to create some more leaves and stuff. So two of the cards that we make use that background, and you can see that I've used a couple of different colors in each one, and I have a separate video on just on how to do that, so you can go watch that. Very fun. And we've got some gold foil elements on the cards as well. And then I used the blending brushes and my ink pads to color all these images. You can use markers or you can use colored pencils, but I thought it'd be fun to just use the blending brushes that I was using already for these fun backgrounds to color the images. And, you know, fall is kind of shade and various colors and it's not perfect. So I thought it would be a nice way to do that. And we've got some more of those gold elements in here and some of those metal gems that are so fun. Got a slimline card for you. It's kind of fun to do something different. And you can see the gold foil is on this paper as well. So it really goes nicely with the gold foil. And then I threw in some of the foil of other colors that we have as well, just to do something a little fun and different. But what a pretty workshop. So thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.